Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week we're talking about integrating digital tools into the automotive repair process. In today's digital age, embracing technology has become crucial for automotive repair technicians to stay efficient, productive, and competitive in the industry. Digital tools and software not only streamline the repair process, but also enhance diagnostic accuracy and improve customer service. In this video, we will explore the benefits of integrating digital tools into the automotive repair process and highlight how technicians can leverage technology to their advantage. Advanced diagnostic tools. Digital diagnostic tools have revolutionized the way automotive issues are identified and resolved. These tools provide real-time data and comprehensive diagnostic reports, allowing technicians to pinpoint the exact cause of a problem. By integrating advanced diagnostic tools into their workflow, technicians can streamline the diagnostic process, reduce guesswork, and provide more accurate repairs. Digital service and repair manuals. Digital service and repair manuals offer technicians instant access to a wealth of information right at their fingertips. These comprehensive digital resources provide step-by-step instructions, wiring diagrams, and specifications for various vehicle models. By utilizing digital manuals, technicians can save time on searching for information, ensuring repairs are carried out efficiently and correctly. Vehicle diagnostic software. Vehicle diagnostic software, coupled with a compatible scan tool, enables technicians to communicate with a vehicle's onboard computer system. This software allows for in-depth scanning, data retrieval, and analysis of various vehicle parameters. By leveraging vehicle diagnostic software, technicians can quickly identify issues, monitor vehicle performance, and make informed repair decisions. Customer relationship management software. CRM systems help automotive repair shops manage customer relationships effectively. These digital tools allow technicians to track customer interactions, manage appointments, and maintain a comprehensive service history for each vehicle. By utilizing CRM systems, technicians can provide personalized customer service, streamline communication, and foster long-term customer loyalty. Inventory management software. Efficient inventory management is crucial for automotive repair shops. Digital inventory management software simplifies the process by tracking and organizing parts and supplies. Technicians can easily access information on part availability, pricing, and ordering, ensuring a smooth workflow and minimizing downtime caused by part shortages. Digital vehicle inspections. Digital vehicle inspection tools enable technicians to conduct comprehensive inspections using tablets or smartphones. These tools allow for the capture of photos, videos, and notes, providing a visual record of the vehicle's condition. Technicians can share these reports with customers, enhancing transparency and trust. Online scheduling and communication platforms. Online scheduling platforms allow customers to book appointments conveniently. Technicians can integrate these platforms into their websites or social media channels, streamlining the appointment process and reducing administrative tasks. Additionally, digital communication tools such as email or messaging apps enable technicians to communicate efficiently with customers, providing updates and addressing any concerns. Integrating digital tools into the automotive repair process brings numerous benefits for technicians and repair shops alike. Utilize the tips presented in this video and optimize efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction in your repair shop. By embracing digital tools, automotive repair technicians can enhance their skills, improve productivity, and position themselves for long-term success in the ever-evolving automotive repair landscape. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.